While patients receive care, smart healthcare consumers make daily decisions that have huge positive implications on their health. Did you just go out and buy the first thing that you saw? Or did you research about it, learned about it, and compared it to other options and then bought something that was right for you? If you're looking to save money while taking good care of your health, then here are some tips that will help transform you from being a passive healthcare consumer to being a smart and active healthcare consumer. Hello friends, welcome to Anant Biomedical. Today's topic of discussion is how to be a smart healthcare consumer. What is a healthcare consumer? For many people, the term patient comes to mind. These two terms, patient and healthcare consumers, are nearly synonymous, but there are some differences in the amount of involvement that a patient has versus the amount of involvement that a smart healthcare consumer has in their healthcare services. To become a true healthcare consumer means becoming more actively involved in your healthcare settings and choices and the services that you receive. It also means being more actively involved in your personal healthcare. While patients receive care, smart healthcare consumers make daily decisions that have huge positive implications on their health. Health has traditionally been like this. You get sick and then you go and see your doctor to get better. Yet in reality, most health-related activities happen outside the traditional sick care system. Consider the explosion of tracking devices, health and wellness apps, diet programs, and healthcare-related YouTube videos, etc. that give you a pool of knowledge on healthcare-related activities and help in transforming you or enabling you from being a passive healthcare consumer to being an active and smart healthcare consumer, wherein you have the choice of making decisions for the health and wellness upliftment of your own self. So healthcare is no more limited within the premises of a hospital or a physician's office, but it is in the hands of our own selves as smart and active healthcare consumers to make daily choices that uplift our health and wellness. Think about the last time that you made a big purchase. Did you just go out and buy the first thing that you saw? Or did you research about it, learned about it, and compared it to other options and then bought something that was right for you? Yes, most people tend to do research before buying or before doing big purchases like buying cars or phones. So why do we so often fail to do this with healthcare? By becoming more educated healthcare consumers, we can go from being active consumers who take the first recommendation from the practitioners to an active consumer who weighs his or her options and make responsible choices that best suit them and their financial situation. If you're looking to save money while taking good care of your health, then here are some tips that will help transform you from being a passive healthcare consumer to being a smart and active healthcare consumer. First step is stay up to date on doctor visits and screenings. Even if you're not sick, make sure to get regular preventive screenings, immunizations, and routine healthcare checkups done. Some examples include getting your blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol tests done routinely. It also includes certain cancer screenings like mammograms and colonoscopy. Getting counseling on such topics as quitting smoking, eating healthfully, losing weight, treating depression, and reducing alcohol use also go a long way in preventive maintenance of your health and well-being. Getting routine healthcare can also help in identifying or catching any health issues earlier, which may lead to cost savings. Second tip is ask if care is necessary. Talk to your doctor about whether a test or a treatment is essential for your care. Discuss about the risks and benefits of getting the procedure done. Is the test or is the result from the test likely to change the treatment plan? What are you going to learn from the test? Sit, discuss, and decide along with your doctor or practitioner about whether this test or treatment is actually essential for your care. The third and the most important tip is to make lifestyle changes. Your doctor may have advised you to quit smoking, lose weight, eat healthy, and get more exercise incorporated in your daily routine. These positive changes or good habits have big payoffs even if you're battling a long-term condition like diabetes or high blood pressure. So please commit to making these positive changes in your lifestyle because this would be the best investment that you would make on yourself. Fourth is taking medicines as prescribed. Taking less dosage of medicines than prescribed by a doctor or skipping doses of medicines can be very dangerous to your health. It could worsen your condition or symptoms associated with the disease for which you have been given these medicines. So it is very important to treat this condition or the disease by having proper medicines and getting proper dosage of medicines on time. Now comes the most important tip of being a smart healthcare consumer, and that is to keep a track of your medical records and your medical expenses. By being a little organized and taking care in managing your medical records and bills actually have a big payoff during tax time. What you can do is hang on to your medical records and keep them well organized in a file. You can also use a spreadsheet, a web-based tool, an app, or you can simply pen down the details in a notebook and keep it all well organized for future reference. This will help you make your medical payments in a better and organized fashion. The next point is set your health plan and medical care criteria. A very important step to becoming a smart healthcare consumer is to have a clear understanding of your current health situation and then sitting and discussing with your doctor a personalized health plan that is suitable for you and your current health situation. While doing so, you may need to consider your health insurance options and also your medical care preferences. Here are some questions that you can talk through with your doctor or practitioner the next time a healthcare situation comes up. What are the risks and downsides related to a test, procedure, or treatment? As patients, we often want to hear about the benefits of the treatment, but we hesitate from asking about the risks associated with the treatment. As an educated and smart healthcare consumer, we need to discuss about the benefits of the treatment along with the risks as well. What are the alternatives? Don't feel bad discussing about alternative treatments with your doctor or your practitioner. Let's say if you had to buy a car, you wouldn't just go out and buy the car in the first instance. You would look at the competitors and also test drive the car probably if it's needed. So it's always a good idea to look at alternative treatments and alternative options in healthcare too. What's the cost? This question is becoming more and more important as patients bear an increasing share of the cost of healthcare. So let's say that someone got suggested for a back surgery which has an increasing risk of painkiller usage and also getting infections, etc. So what an educated and smart healthcare consumer would do in this instance is to sit and discuss with their practitioner about the option of having a physical therapy and if and how it is a viable alternative to having surgery with better outcomes, less cost and less risks. I hope that through this video you got a better perspective on how to be a smart healthcare consumer. The key to being a smart healthcare consumer is to be more active in decisions revolving around your healthcare and to make smart healthcare choices for you and your family. You must ask questions, do your research and ask for testimonials and references. You follow these steps when making big purchases in your life, like while purchasing a car or phone or other big purchases. So make it count and follow all these steps of doing your research, asking questions, and also asking for testimonials and references when making big healthcare choices or making big healthcare decisions that will impact your health and wellness in the long run. So please utilize your time watching videos like these that give you information about the healthcare sector and equip you to be an active healthcare consumer. You can also utilize your time by reading books related to healthcare sector and also by watching podcasts, etc. So the basic fundamental is to increase your knowledge in the field of healthcare, because only by increasing your knowledge in the field of healthcare can you be an active healthcare consumer and you can sit and ask your practitioner questions about your treatment plans, about the procedures and about your health and wellness. Good luck as you take an active role in your health. Keep an eye on your medical expenses and live the healthiest life. Please show your support by liking the video and also share the video with your friends and family to spread awareness about the topic. Do subscribe and press the notification bell on so you get notified about all the upcoming healthcare related videos. And also do let us know in the comment box what you would like to hear from us next. Thank you till we see you next time.